How to cancel the MGM Plus subscriptions. Hey guys, let's get started. If you do not want to continue with the MGM Plus subscription, the steps are quite simple. On your Android, you have to tap on your Play Store. However, if you are using iPhone, you'll have to go to the App Store and the steps are quite similar. After that, go to your profile, which is on the top right corner, and from here select payment and subscriptions. After that, tap on subscriptions. And here you will see the list of your history of subscriptions, your cancelled subscriptions, and active subscriptions. Tap on active subscriptions, and by that, you must be able to cancel it. Now you can continue using services till the cancellation has been applied. So, this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, and do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you, and keep watching.